Hello again. Now we are on third part of our exam, and what we have to do. First of all, we have to set the data below by country of supply and by cost of purchase in decreasing order per each country, and then we have to compute subtotals of costs in US, Australian, and Canadian dollars and net price in euro by country and grand total. How we can do that? First of all, we have to notice that our main data are here in this area. What that means? That means whatever we want to do, we have to do in this area here. First, we will sort costs in US, Australian, and Canadian dollars. And how we can do that? We have to click here, and then we have to click on the right side of the mouse. We have to choose sort from the biggest to the smallest value, and requested values are here. Then we have to sort country of supply. Click here, click on the right side of the mouse, sort. We can choose between these two options. I will choose this option here, and here are our requested data. Now we have to compute subtotals of costs. And how we can do that? We have to go on sheet A. We have to choose this area here, and we have to copy, go on sheet C, paste it here, make it prettier, then we have to take net price in euro, go on sheet A, choose this column here, copy, then go on sheet C, paste it here, and what we can see? We can see that our values are not correct. Why? Because if we go on sheet A, we can see that these cells here are cells with formula, and what we need only values. And what we can do, we will choose special paste function with values, only with values, and here are requested data. So now we can go on insert, table, pivot table. What we have to choose, we have to choose our range, and this is our range. And choose where we want the pivot table report to be placed, new worksheet or existing worksheet. We will choose existing worksheet. Okay. Now we have our pivot table fields, and here is written drag fields between the areas below. What we need is country of supply that goes in this row here, and the numbers goes below country of supply, meaning costs that goes in values, and net price goes in values below. So now we can see our pivot table, and our pivot table looks good. We have our countries, we have dates, and we have values. What we can see here that our values are not formatted. How we can format? We have to choose this column here, go on the right side of mouse, click format cells, choose number, use separator, decimal place is 0. Okay, we will do that the same with this column here. Format cell, choose number, use separator, decimal place is 0, and here is our pivot table. It looks good, and now we can go on the task 4 of our exam.